Assalamualaikum. Good evening. Today I will be cooking special Chinese Char Kway Teow with my dad.
Eh? Who is this?
I don't know.
Help us too?
He's gone. First of all, we have to wash our hands with soap. Let's go. Let me show you the ingredients. Come. First, we have... Open it! First, we have bean sprouts. And second, we have... Good job. Good job. And then we have clam. And you need prawn, fish cake, garlic, kway teow, and egg. The most important, homemade Chinese Char Kway Teow paste. Let's cook. Abby, can you help me hit the wok?
Okay.
Let's hit the wok about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First, we put 3 spoons of cooking oil. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ashhadu an la Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi Sayyidina Muhammad. We put the first ingredient, garlic. I'm scared. We put prawn next. Next we put prawn.
Another one.
This is crazy. Cook until the prawn looks like prawn. Now we put clam.
Put it off.
You have to put it all. 2 more. 1. It smells already good. Now we put the kway teow.
Faster sikit sebab ni.
You have to go faster before it hangus
Yeah.
or heat. I don't know. Go wait, that part.
Fire up the fire.
You fire
Yes.
up the fire.
This one use. I don't know how to say. You like this? Look, come closer. Like this. Yeah. Okay, all right. Okay, done. Okay, now we're going to put the
homemade Chinese Char Kway Teow paste. Okay. 1, 2. You guys know what's the next number? 3.
fire up again using the special technique like this. Come.
Oh, it's already. Smell it! You guys can smell it. It's the camera.
Some little oil
Just
first.
a little bit. Teeny bit.
Okay. Crack the egg. Yeah. Fire up again.
I did it! Yeah!
Use the special technique again. Like this.
No, the egg's cracked. I mean, no.
Okay, Aula. Use the special technique. The
Mix.
center, mix it with the egg.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. The special technique is working!
No. Okay, we cook until the wok. Hang it. Oh, we can smell it. Very delicious, right, Aula?
I tasted it before.
Okay, the final.
The final. What's the final?
Tauge, kuchai, and the fish cake together.
What? The tauge? The
Bean
kuchai?
sprout.
The bean sprout.
Yeah, put together.
Ah! Wait, do we put the fish cake?
Yeah, fish cake.
Ah!
Oh, look.
It's already looking so good.
Yeah. Special technique. Remember special technique? Like this. Cook for about 30 seconds, Salah.
30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's gonna be a long time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Done.
Finished.
Off the fire. Get the plate.
We got it. We're going to put it in. Look at.
It smells so good.
You
I'm so
smell it?
hungry. Okay.
It's heavy. It's heavy. Don't hit my hand. It was hot. Careful, it's hot. Do not touch the bottom. Look, the finished result. Yum.
Okay. Okay, Umi. Let's eat.
Omi has the first bite.
Okay, Aula, let's test it. So, how it is? Out of 10? 10 out of 10! Okay, do you want to know how to make the homemade special Chinese Char Kway Teow? Stay tuned.
So good. So good, Abby. How did you make the paste?
Let me show you. Come closer. Sugar, 90 grams of sugar, 40 grams of Ajinomoto, 50 grams of sauce ikan, 100
Fish sauce.
grams of sauce tiram. Oh yes, fish sauce. Sauce tiram, what is it called in English? Oyster sauce, 100 grams,
And Jolin.
and kicap
Soy sauce.
masin Jalin,
Soy
tiram,
sauce.
and soy sauce, salty soy sauce from Jalin, and the final one is 250 grams of water. So you have to mix all the ingredients. Mix, then you cook for 20 minutes.
Wow.
Okay, that's all. That's
Wow.
how we made homemade special
Special Chinese Char Kway Teow.